Hi everyone, we are doing our second episode of Lockdown today. We're going to go over entering the lockdown with our footwork and then getting double underhooks by using the Jaws of Life. Top person has head and arm control. Bottom person has their feet on the outside of the leg that is trapped. Both my feet are outside. My outside foot is crossed over the ankle of my inside foot. This is holding her in just regular half guard. Now I'm just going to step my feet over. I don't want to do it with my legs wide because she'll escape. So my feet stay together. I try to find her instep. I lift it up with my outside foot, preferably. That's what I do. I'm sure a lot of people have a different preference. And then I hook it with my inside foot and hook my foot with my outside foot. Now I have her in the lockdown. I can start moving her leg pretty easily. So it looks like this. Starting, I have my lockdown already. She has head and arm control. Her head is nice and tight. I can't really do much with the underhooked arm. It's kind of in danger, so I'm keeping it tight and not letting her attack it. I'm going to take my other hand, the one that's kind of an underhook on her, and reach in between our faces and find her cheek. Now I'm going to start pushing it away until I can frame with both hands, reinforcing my wrists, and pushing until there's a tiny space between her armpit, right here. Now I'm going to lift up, drop my other elbow underneath. So now I'm holding her, I'm bracing her weight with 2 frames. It's not too hard. And then I just drop my arms underneath and get as tight of a gable grip as I can. Most of the time mine is up somewhere on my forearm, right here. My dog's going to come ruin this shot, so we'll just do it a couple times. So we start here. I don't want my arm attacked, so I'm keeping it tight. I bring my free hand in, push her away, push her harder, frame in, get 2 frames, drop my hooks, my underhooks. One more time. We're here. I don't want my arm getting attacked, so it's tight. I bring this in, push. Thank you, Carter. Boom, get my elbow in. I don't want to go hand in because now she just drops her shoulder into my chest and it's stuck. I can't really get it out. So I go, once I have her framed up here, this is much easier. Then I have 2 frames and I can get my underhooks out. And now I can start sweeping. You did a great job that time.